Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can create a text using 3D text effect in Adobe Photoshop. First up, open your Photoshop and make sure that you have this document size, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. And the resolution is 300. The background content is white. Now here, select on the layers option right here at the bottom right. Then we're going to click on this adjustment layer and select on this solid color. This time we're going to select the color that you want for your background. Once done here, click on OK button. Next, select the type tool right here at the left side of your screen. And then you can just basically type or write the text that you want. Then here you can basically change the font size. So for example, select this text, just like this, and then click on the center alignment right here at the top. And then you can basically click on the select tab right there at the top left, and then select on all, and then click on the move tool on the top left and center it vertically and horizontally. So here, as you can see, you can basically align this one, Control T on your keyboard, and then adjust the corner to make an adjustment in size. So for example, this one here, and then select and deselect, or just click this layer. Again, choose the type tool right here on the left side, and then you're going to click on the folder icon at the top. So basically, right here, you can select the font style that you want for your text. As you can see, we have a bunch of selection. You can type down here the font style that you want for your text. Or if no match found, you just need to select manually. So on the left side, we have the font style name. And then at the right side, as you can see how it looks like. So here you just need to select any of the font style. So basically, in my case, I'm going to select the font style that I want to my text. So here I'm going to use like a bold text to show the 3D design. Right, so I'm going right from here. And then you can basically customize the text size. Right here, you can type down if you want a bigger size, but not like this. So you can basically type here the font size that you want for your text. Now this time I'm going to just type at least 40. And then here you can basically add some setting. So I put right here 35, 25. And then once you've done right here, you now go to the next step. So we're going to close this option here and then go to the layer style. And then we're going to select the drop shadow. Right, so we're going to close this one first. And then click on the drop shadow. And then here, go to the blending mode or blend mode and select the multiply. Then the opacity will be 5%. The angle is, or the distance is 8, and the size is 7. And then the angle will be like 60. There you go. Then click on the OK button at the top right. Next, Control T on the text layer. Now press the up arrow key on your keyboard once and press enter. There you go. Next, you're going to press Control Shift plus Alt plus T multiple times like this. So just continue to press the T to basically create a multiple layer. Now, if you're okay with the size, as you can see on your screen, you can basically undo this one by pressing Ctrl Z on your keyboard. There you go. Next, you just need to select or create a folder with this one. So all you need to do here is you're going to hold shift and select the top layer up to the bottom layer. So you can do like this, for example. So there you go. Or you can basically add another one. So Ctrl Z to undo and add this original text layer. Okay, again, and then going to the bottom and select the text layer here, hold shift, and then again press the folder icon. Once done, add a drop shadow to this folder. And then again, follow the settings. So go to blend mode, select multiply. The opacity level must be like 17%. The angle is 48. The distance will be 46 and the size is 0. So there you have it. So once you've done, click on OK button. So as you can see on your screen, this is how you can create this 3D text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.